Hello friends. Now in this video we are going to solve one more problem on Euclid's algorithm. So as we know that the Euclid algorithm is used to find the GCD of any two positive integer. So in this question we have to find the GCD of 24140 and 16762. So according to the Euclid's algorithm, we have first of all we construct a table here, okay, to solve this problem. So this is small a and this is small b. So the first step is that we have to assign small a into the value of capital A. So this will become 2140 and the b is 16762. Then we have to assign like a1 equals to b1 into q1 plus r1. Okay, then a2 is equals to b2 into q2 plus r2 and so on. Then we assign this value of b1 into a2 and the value of r1 into b2. So we will progress in this manner. So the next first value is a, that is capital A is 24140. Then how we will represent this number into this format, that is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what number should we multiply with 16762 so that I will get this number or less than this? So for that we have a remainder also. So if I multiply 1 with 16762, then the remainder will be 7378. So this will become GCD of 16762, 7378. Okay, so now the next value of A is 16762 and 7378 will be the value of B. So this will become 16762. So if I multiply, what number should be multiplied to 7378 so that we will get a number equal to or less than to this. So this will become 7378. If I multiply 2 with this number, then we get a remainder as 2006. So this will become GCD of 7378, 2006. Then in the next step, again this will become A and this will become B. So 7378 is equal to, if I multiply 2006 with 3, then I will get a remainder as 1360. So this will become GCD of 2006 with 1360. Then in the next step it will become 2006. So if I multiply 1 with 1360, then I will get a remainder as 646. So this is a divisor, this is a quotient, this is a remainder. So this will become GCD of 1360, 646. Now the next step I have to solve for 1360. Okay, so this will become if I have to multiply 2 with 646, then the remainder will be 68. So the GCD will become 646, 68. Then this is 646 is equals to, if I multiply 9 with 68, then I will get a remainder as 34. So this will become GCD of 68 and 34. Then I have to solve for 68. So this will become, if I multiply by 2 by 34, then I will get a remainder as 0. So this will become GCD 34, 0. So this means that when I get the B equals to 0, then the value of A is a right answer. So the GCD of these two numbers will be 34 here. So this is how we use the Euclid's algorithm to find the GCD of any two number. If you have any query, then you can ask in our comment section. So keep sharing our video. Thank you so much.